Ciao!
Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! And welcome!
Don't say it. They are experts. They already know. They already know.
City.
Give some clues, but don't say the name because they already know where we are.
The White City.
The charming decadence of one of the most beautiful towns in the world. And we are just in front of our hotel.
Yeah.
You can see behind us the restaurant of the hotel, and the hotel faces one of the most beautiful squares in town. I don't want to say nothing because, guys, you have to trust on us. You have to believe on us when we say that this is the best, one of the best locations that we have in Italy, not only in Sicily. Trust us, and you realize why. So that's the hotel restaurant. That is the hotel. The hotel faces one of the most beautiful, charming squares in town. If you follow us, if you've been following us for a while, you already know that we are talking about one of the most unique squares in the world. With a special, what, Rosella? I can't say what it is. What it is?
It's a church.
Are you sure?
But also a Greek heritage.
It's also a church, but at the very beginning it was not a church. It was a Greek temple.
Right.
So we are walking through the side of an ancient temple that dates back to the 5th century before Christ. You can see the original columns of the temples, and now is one of the most beautiful cathedrals in the world.
A unique example, we can say. It's unique with this highlights.
I wanna see the comments. I wanna see the comments of our expert followers. Guys, guess where we are? Guys, are you ready? Are you ready for the wow? Are you ready for the wow?
Put your tummy up.
This is one of the most charming squares in the world, not only in Sicily.
And imagine you with your beloved one drinking something, looking at this beautiful masterpiece. People are enjoying a dinner outside, a drink.
Can we say that's the city hall, the town hall?
Yes, the city hall.
Palazzo Vermezio.
Yeah.
And this is the most beautiful cathedral that I have seen in my life. I can say also Palermo Cathedral is very nice. It's very beautiful.
But this style is different. It's Baroque style.
But we don't have this beautiful, charming square in Palermo.
Yeah.
This is a sort of how can I say? is the most elegant square that we have in Sicily. Rosella, would you like to go? Would you like to give our friends some more clues? Can we say we are in a highland?
Yes. An island? In an island, because already Sicily, you know, is an island.
Not only in Sicily, we are in a highland, in a little isle, connected to the mainland
with a beautiful bridge.
By a beautiful bridge named Umbertino Bridge. And now I'm walking through the heritage. The second clue, this is one of the most ancient Greek colonies that we have in Sicily. Ancient Greeks from Greece, you know, they settled here in Sicily, as in the rest of the Magna Grecia, the great Greece. We were a sort of colony of Greece, and they settled here, and they built one of the most powerful towns in the past. We are talking about the 5th century before Christ, and it still keep her fashion, her charm. It's so beautiful nowadays. Let me switch again. Let me display the beautiful square, Piazza Duomo. As you can see, the sky is clear. We are enjoying a great time, very nice weather.
With our group of 16 Canadians.
Yeah, it's our afternoon free. We are following 16 Canadians from Toronto, but today we had, oh, this is a beautiful cortile. Look at that.
Maybe there is a party.
Yeah, of course. So nice.
So they have the free afternoon.
So we are touring with 16 Canadians, Rosella.
Don't care about me, I'm too short for you.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Non t'ammucciare. Where are you? So we are touring with 16 Canadians. So today was the day dedicated to this town. They had a guided walking tour in the morning. We had lunch in a very nice restaurant.
Not only the lunch, we had also a wonderful cheese tasting.
At the outdoor market. Yes. Yeah, we had the second breakfast at 11 o'clock, and then we had lunch. And then they enjoyed a free afternoon, a free evening at leisure.
And also us.
And also us. We went to the beach. That's a secret. We went to the beach because this is a beautiful place surrounded by the Ionian Sea. And you will realize in a few seconds what I'm talking to.
We planned for them a lot of authentic experiences with locals.
As always, because our tours are not normal tours. We always add some particular experiences with locals, some beautiful food experiences. And today they had the opportunity to meet a cheesemaker here in this town. Look at that. Oh, look at the sunset, Rosella.
Yeah. The sky is red.
So, Maureen, say where we are. Guess where we are. Good morning. Ciao, Maureen. Is there anybody who knows where we are?
Oh wow, look at this wonderful lounge bar. If you are a sea lover, Ortygia is also the right place to enjoy
Yeah,
a
this is
boat
the
tour.
sunset. This is the sunset. This is not sunrise. It's 10 minutes past 8.
And we are going
8 p.m.
to enjoy an aperitif.
Rosella, would you like to say what it is?
Over there is the Maniace Castle. It's a beautiful monument to visit here in Ortygia.
A must-see location in Ortygia.
Yeah.
I would like to enjoy the promenade right there, full
Let's-
of bars, cafes,
Let's go.
restaurants.
Let's show our friends and
Perhaps we can have an aperitif all together with our
Yeah.
friends.
and imagine enjoying this wonderful city with us. Because I would like to remind you that our Sicily Lovers Tour, of course, includes Ortigia.
But you always say you're boring, Rosella, because you always talk about the Sicily Lovers Tour. This is not the only one.
No, but it's my baby.
I don't care about your baby, Rosella, because people are interested also in other tours, also in private tours of Sicily, not only the Sicily Lovers Tour. You know, Sicily Lovers Tour is in June 2023. But we also arrange tours of Sicily all year round. They are private tours of Sicily, and we are at your disposal to put together a memorable tour of Sicily according to your needs. Because I want to remind you, I would like to remind you that we can make a tailor-made experience according to your passions, to your needs. So if you have 1 week, 10 days, 1 month, 6 months, everything is possible, guys. So forget what Rosella always say. She mentioned always the Sicily Lovers Tour. If you can join
Because
the Sicily
I love
Lovers Tour,
it's my ideal tour of Sicily. So even if you want to have an idea of our ideal tour of Sicily, you can take a look.
yeah, but this is just like a guideline. So if you don't want to study, we made the hard job for you. You can see the schedule of the Sicily Lovers Tour, and that's our best tour, of course. But we are at your disposal to plan for you a great, memorable, custom private tour of Sicily, tailor-made tour of Sicily. And as Rosella mentioned, because she's right, Ortygia can't miss in your itinerary. It should be the home base at least for 2 or 3 nights. Or more, if you have more time in Sicily, spend at least 4 days, 5 days here in Ortygia. I finally revealed the name of the location where we are now. Ortygia, the historical center of Syracuse. It's an island connected to the mainland by a bridge, and it's worth visit. It's worth staying. You can see people enjoy the stroll. People enjoy shopping. Some people love the culture, the heritage. You can explore the town with a local guide. You can enjoy a boat tour, and of course, you can choose one of the hundreds great restaurants in town where you can you can enjoy the traditional Sicilian cuisine.
In particular, the fresh food.
The fresh fish.
Fish,
The fresh
sorry.
fish, because this is an island, they are specialized in fish
Yeah.
and seafood. Let's go, Rosella. Let's go. Let's display the rest of the island. This is the fountain Aretusa with papyrus. Egyptian papyrus grow in Syracuse.
Buonasera ragazzi, volete accomodare?
So it's dinner time. We enjoyed the sunset and now we are approaching to one of our favorite cafes to enjoy an aperitif.
Yes?
Because, you know, guys, we are Sicilian and it's early for us for have a dinner, so we have to wait at least 1 hour. In the meantime, we will enjoy an aperitif, un aperitivo, and then when it's a little bit later, 9 o'clock perhaps, we will enjoy our dinner. So, what do you think about this beautiful location, guys? Look at the promenade. If I can reach, of course.
I found the table, maybe. Maybe we are lucky and we found the table, maybe.
Are you ready? So a sea view table. Just in front of us, the beautiful Ionian Sea. Because I would like to remind you that we are in the east coast of Sicily. In the east coast of Sicily, we have the Ionian Sea. The north coastline faces the Tyrrhenian Sea. The south coast faces the Mediterranean Sea. This is the Ionian. So I mean the coastline between Capo Passero to the north. So Syracuse, Catania, Taormina, up to Messina. That's all the Ionian Sea.
I
Rosella.
would like to change the seat, no? So our friends can see the,
Yeah, sure.
the sunset.
You're
so
right.
let's switch the...
You're right.
I'm always right, Gianca, you know. I only have great ideas.
You're a little bit pride. I don't know why. She's a little bit pride. So, what do we have?
And let me also say thanks to Ionella for my beautiful Sicily Lover and painted t-shirt, because I would like to remind our friends that we also have a beautiful online store dedicated to the Sicilian handmade items. This is the first and the biggest online store dedicated to all Sicily lover, and the name is sicilylover.com.
And you can find not only t-shirts handmade or hand-painted t-shirt, but also pottery, jewelry,
Yes, like this
many items. We have more than 800 different handmade items, and made here in Sicily by beautiful people, excellent artisans who still preserve
ancient traditions.
yeah, that nobody wants to preserve because they are time-consuming jobs, and so we have to thank all those people for what they do every day with passion.
Non ti appoggiare perché fa muro tavolo e si muove tutto da ta ta ta. È sempre dannoso, cioè è sempre dannoso. Poi hanno tavolo e si muove tutto.
Non ti capisce, non ti
C'è
capisce.
luce, dicillo che duca con me.
Okay, guys, so
I told you, Gianca, don't stay on the table because the camera will
shake.
I order.
The camera
I
shakes.
just order for you.
Really?
Yes, I know what you want.
So this is the evidence that I am a slave.
I have to save time.
She says what I have to say. She thinks what I have to think, and also she orders what I have to eat or drink. So no chances for me, guys.
Let's guess if
I
I'm
have
right.
just a secondary position.
Let's guess if I'm right.
Mojito.
With room scuro,
Yeah,
dark room.
With dark room. She's right.
I know.
We have no secrets.
No, I know.
So guys, out of the joke, it's we are very, very happy to be here because it's our chance to stay in a wonderful town. If you know us, you already know that we always recommend a stay in Syracuse, in Ortigia. It's a beautiful, charming town, and it's one of the most important home bases in a tour of Sicily. If you stay here, you can explore not only Ortygia, not only the surroundings. I mean the beautiful archaeological site, the beautiful archaeological part of Syracuse, but also the beautiful Baroque towns that we have in the nearby. I mean Noto, I mean Ragusa, I mean Modica. You can reach very, very easily Catania and Mount Etna, and usually we bring our clients from Syracuse, passing through Mount Etna to Taormina. If you are more time to spend in Sicily, you maybe can stay in Ragusa. It's another beautiful area to explore all the Baroque towns. If you are in the food and wine, guys, this is your special home base because the food is excellent, and you have plenty of choices, great choices in terms of restaurants, in terms of wineries.
Yeah, there is a beautiful winery that it's a castle.
We didn't mention the Pupillo winery that's very close to Syracuse, and it's a very, very beautiful place with a castle from the 1300.
Oh Oh, perfetto.
Ciao.
Ciao,
Ciao,
grazie.
grazie.
Siamo in diretta, vuoi salutare? In America, Canada, Australia.
Grazie.
Proprio in diretta live.
Qua,
Live,
lo
sì.
vedi, live,
Our mojito.
nel mondo, in particolare in America, in Canada e in Australia. Beh, per adesso in America e Canada, perché gli australiani per ora mi sa che...
Ah, ma che
No.
roba bellissima. Che roba. Ma è una
Salute!
cosa vostra?
Sì, il nostro canale. Best Things to Do in Sicily, la pagina Facebook.
Salutiamo, dai. Grazie.
And now we can enjoy our aperitif. I have my chips, my potato chips. We have olives. I don't remember the name.
Nuts,
Nuts.
American nuts.
And also
Ah, we have
bruschette
bruschetta.
and pizza. So,
Salute, Rosella.
andiamo a brindare?
Salute. Che sta cannuccia. So guys, if you wanna toast with us, we will be very, very, very happy. Let me say all together, salute, cheers.
Cheers!
Salute. Do you think tomorrow we will broadcast from Ragusa?
We will try. I don't know if from Ragusa or Modica or Noto, because tomorrow we are going to combine three beautiful UNESCO sites, Ragusa, Ibla, Modica and Noto. So I think that from one of these places we will broadcast a little bit, no?
Yeah.
A short live broadcast.
We will have many opportunities to broadcast. I don't know. Actually, I don't know because we will have a beautiful panoramic point from Modica where to broadcast.
Maybe we
will
never
show
broadcast from Modica.
from the panoramic view.
Maybe.
Then we will go to a chocolate maker in Modica, as always. In our tours, we include always great experiences with locals. He's a very funny man named Giorgio, and he will teach our Canadian friends how he makes the traditional chocolate, respecting the original recipe that the Spaniards imported in Sicily. The recipe follows the Aztecian recipe. They were in South America and learn how to make the chocolate following the Aztecian way. Then we will go to Ragusa. It could be nice to make a broadcast from the restaurant. The restaurant boasts a beautiful view on the valley of Ragusa and on the upper Ragusa. You know, Ragusa is divided in Ragusa Ibla and Ragusa Superiore. They are both beautiful. They are like twin towns. One is better than the others. I don't know which is the best, but the views are amazing. And then we will go to Noto. Perhaps we may broadcast from Noto.
But we go to Noto not to visit Noto, just to have the granita with brioche.
No, that's not true. Noto is wonderful. Noto is beautiful, and it deserves a visit.
Yeah.
It's a very pleasant stroll, but at the end of the stroll, as always, we can miss the granita tasting. The granita, for those who don't know, is a sort of traditional Sicilian gelato, but nothing compared to gelato. It's completely different. If you never tried, please visit Noto and enjoy the combination between almond and pistachio. To be like a Sicilian with brioche, with a sweet brioche. That's the best. What else?
I think it's time to enjoy our aperitif. After,
Yeah.
so many days of work.
Yeah, we are
for
just
us.
in the middle of our tour of Sicily with our Canadians, and in the same time we are managing a very interesting private tour of Sicily for a couple of people from Singapore. They are wine enthusiasts, so it's a mix between culture, food, and wine. They are visiting 6 different wineries with us.
I posted a picture right yesterday.
But I think they also enjoyed some amazing experiences. They also went to Caccamo to enjoy the sausage tasting and making. They also went to Erice. We had an amazing experience in Erice with Vito, the owner of one of the most beautiful and also renowned restaurants in Erice. He invited us at his home, and he had for us a special on cooking show, right? Or show cooking? No, on cooking show. That's correct. On cooking show. In the next days, we will enjoy Mount Etna. We will enjoy Taormina. And in the meantime, we are super happy because our business started over, and we are super proud of our work because we do things in a different way. We can say Gianca's and Rosella's way, and we try to give our clients the opportunity to have something special every day, some particular experiences that normal tour operators, tour companies don't provide. And so it's our touch. And so far, people enjoyed everything. And
they are very satisfied.
And we are very, very happy that the 2022 season started in the best possible way. We had the Rubino family, the Spatafora family. Now we are with 16 Canadians, people from Singapore, and we will meet some more Americans by the end of May. We have 2 more private tours of Sicily, and in June, as Rosella mentioned, we have our baby, the Sicily Lovers Tour. It's sold out. It will take place from June 4 to June 15. And we are still working. We are already working on the next edition, on the 2023 Sicily Lovers Tour. And
save the date.
May 29, June 10. That's the period, because I would like to remind you, as you can see, this is the evidence. Late May, early June is the best time to visit Sicily. We are not suffering any hot temperature. The humidity is low. There is no wind. The places we are going to visit are not so crowded. There are beautiful people. Usually May or June is the best period for Americans. We try to skip the coldest months in the year, such as January or February, but you never know, because we had also clients who enjoy wonderful days in February. You know, Alisa Spatafora, if you're watching us, you can confirm. And also July and August. Usually we don't work so much in August, but next August we are expecting 75 Americans from Nebraska, from Omaha, and so we are impatient. It's a very, very interesting season for our business. We used to say we had a very bad time in the last 2 years. We've been spending a very, very bad time because of the pandemic. But now everything is running so fast because everyone wants to visit Sicily, to spend great time in Sicily, and so we are managing the old tours, the tours we had to postpone, to cancel many times, and new tours, people who booked their tours of Sicily in the last weeks, and so we are very tired, guys. I can confess
You
that
can see my face.
our faces is the evidence that we don't sleep too much in the last months, but it's our job, it's our passion, and we have no reasons to skip this opportunity because we would like to give you everyone the chance to enjoy our beloved island in the most memorable way. And so if you have any question, if you have any curiosity, you can write down in the comment, write your needs, your question. We will be very, very happy to answer. I don't know when, perhaps tomorrow in the bus, while driving to Noto, while driving to Ragusa. It's about 1 hour and a half, and so we will take the opportunity to answer your comments, your questions. What else, Rosella? Am I forgetting something?
No.
Am I...
If you want to book a tour of Sicily with us, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
That's correct. That's correct. And if you can travel to Sicily, we will bring Sicily to you, and you can select hundreds of different handmade items. That's the website, sicilylover.com. So it's up to you, but we hope you come to Sicily because you know the experience when we are able to argue in person is something unique, something priceless, and so we really can't wait.
We look forward to meeting you, all the Sicily lovers.
Yeah, as we did a few days ago with Donna and John Naples, with Tom McLean, Rob, Jerry Genovese.
Was fantastic.
So we had a beautiful meeting with. They are not friends, they are not family, they are more than family. They are wonderful people, and we had the great pleasure to touch them in Palermo a few days ago, and it was beautiful. So I don't have the right words to say what's the feeling. It's beautiful, and we can wait to meet you, all of you in Sicily. Che facciamo?
Io direi che beviamo, mangiamo e salutiamo all'amici nostri.
Vedi se ci sono commenti, domande particolari. Se ci sono cose particolari rispondiamo ora. If there are some, how many comments? Oh guys, I didn't scroll so far the.
Ciao Maureen, ciao Sandra, ciao Katie.
Look if there are some special questions, and we will reply right now. Yeah, they.
Ciao Antonio,
of
ciao
course,
Giuseppe.
No doubt, they guessed the place where we are. They were so good.
Ciao Marilyn.
Go to the end. Go to the end. Go to the end.
Ciao Dev.
Go to the end. Sorry, Rosella. Ciao, Misty. So let's look for. Guys, I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I'm trying to read the comments. Oh, guys, can you do it for me?
I was doing it.
No, but it's no way to go to the end because it's very hard to scroll down till the end. I would like to see if they wrote some question for us. It's not easy, guys. I'm sorry, guys.
No questions so far. Ciao Dan. Only positive comments, but no question. Ciao
Maureen, no. You are so nice. So guys, it's our time of leisure here in Ortygia. We had a very, very busy time, and I can't believe my eyes. I'm enjoying an aperitif and the nightlife in Ortygia. And behind us you can see the beautiful seascape, the beautiful Ionian Sea. Tomorrow we will start again with the tour. We will visit the southeast of Sicily, and then we will go to the north. The day after we will have the day tour from Syracuse to Catania, Mount Etna. A beautiful winery on the slopes of Mount Etna, and then we will we'll finish the tour in Taormina. Taormina doesn't need any advertising. It's so beautiful, so picturesque, so charming. We will make a broadcast also from Taormina, no doubt.
Yes, sure. And now?
Now it's time to say bye-bye.
Guys, we love you. Thank you for watching. See you the next one, and all together.
Love, hugs,
And kisses
from Sicily.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers.
Ciao.